What's going on, everybody? We are going to be working on a 2021 2.0 turbo right now. What we're going to do is install a nice duckbill spoiler up here. So let's do that. Check it out. Alright guys, so there's many questions on a 2021 2.0. This is a touring, so even a 2.0 like those not touring, this will still fit on it. So a lot of you guys want this duckbill here. It's this one right here. So we already put Gorilla 3M tape on it. It's perfect. What's best is that he doesn't have the small spoiler here, so it saves a lot of time and there's no holes to plug in. And this does fit in perfect, so as you can see, it flushes right onto it. And this one's hard, well, it is a bit hard to install because you got to feel the gap in the bottom as well. And I think this is the measurement good on this side. And that side, just a little bit. So this is how much space you're gonna have on each side. That, and same thing with my 2018 to 2020 Accords. They have the same space on each side. And that's how it should look once it's on. You can show a side view. Straight in bottom. And then an angle from here is good. You said you're my assistant, bro.
Done?
So I'll show you guys how to actually put it on with the 3M. You don't want to peel off all of it, so I'll show you guys real quick. Alright, so as you can see, a 3M pulled off a little bit off. Well, this one you just take off, it's really small, and pull it off on each side, so for each strip. And this side you just put it with a masking tape so it doesn't fly away, it doesn't go underneath it. And so we're just gonna go ahead and put it right here. You kind of go inwards until it's flushed in. Just let it sit. You could feel the bottom, like there, it stopped right there. Yeah, it stopped right there. Doesn't want to go anymore. Feel the gap. There's no gap here, so it really touches the trunk and then the spoiler right here. And the bottom, there's no gaps or anything like that. Make sure on this side as well. Make sure the measurement is the same. This is the measurement right here. Same thing. Yeah, bro, come check the measurement if you like it. All right, so if you're satisfied with everything, measurement and everything looks good, just make sure triple, quadruple check. They're good. You just press down in the corners because that's where you originally took off the 3M. I mean the Gorilla 3M tape, whatever, double-sided. I'll put the link in the description below for the Gorilla tape. It's really strong. I prefer that. And then when it comes to the small strips, one at the bottom, yeah, it's right here. You could easily start pulling it just like that. But don't make it tight because then it's gonna get stuck here. So just have this tight a little bit, that's all. So say you top it off. That's good too. And don't pull upwards as well. That's another tip. Just go sideways. That's off. And the bottom. So don't make that tight, otherwise it's gonna be hard to take off this. I make everything look so easy, right? Alright, so now you just go ahead and press it. Press the top really good. If you got a heat gun, we're gonna heat it up. Well, once it's good like this, we're just gonna go ahead and grab a heat gun and just heat up the sides, even this area a little bit and the bottom, and then just press against it for like a minute, and you should be good to go from there. That's how it looks overall. That's a 2021 2.0 turbo touring.
That's why all rims get sold.
All right, guys, and we're also doing
But isn't that the one that gives?
headlight tint from Crux Motorsports. This is 50% tint, so usually they'll ship you 20% default, but if you at checkout, if you tell them you want the lighter tint, they'll send you a 50% tint automatically. So that's how it looks. It's really nice. Remove that chrome look, you know. See that? And then we'll do this side as well. So this part, you guys gonna have a lot of questions like, yo, what fits, what not? The front lip, don't even bother. It's not gonna fit. They don't have the product yet for that. For this, if you want to try to get one of these 3 pieces, they only fit on a 2018 and 2020 Accords. For a 2021, it does not fit. All right, this is just a test. I have an extra one, so I'm just testing it out for you guys. So drop a like. So as you can see, go close over there. Look at that. It does not. It's good. It goes bent in, and it doesn't work. It does not fit. So don't buy it. And then, plus you gotta like push it in to bend it. It looks weird, stupid. Look at the top chrome that's showing up. Come on this side. I don't know if you can see well. Right behind me. Look at this side. It's like you gotta push it. It's not a perfect flush fit, and the top chrome shows up. So what you can do is just either dip it black, or if you have the skills to wrap it, go ahead wrap it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna dip this for him. That's the best way we could do it right now, until something comes out. I just hate chrome. This should be gone ASAP. So we just got done tinting the taillights in the back. I used VHT Nightshade. I did about 3 coats on it, one very small coat, and then I did 3 more coats on top. So it's kind of tinted. It looks really nice. If you move back, you'll see it. Great. And then moving forward, you guys want to know if this fits? Still from a 2018 to 2020 Accord, see if it fits. This is a 2021 right now. So hold that side up. If it fits or not. It's good over there? It's gonna, yeah, it fits. So this does fit. That's how it's gonna look. This is perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and put some 3M and install that on there, and we'll see how it looks afterwards. So this does fit on 2021. Alright guys, check this out. It's done. That's tinted. That's tinted. Reflectors. That's gonna be blacked out soon. The chrome, that's coming next, and then the spoilers is installed perfect, and the roof spoiler does fit. If you guys have any questions on it, it does fit. Even though online it's gonna say 2018 2020, but it does fit. They just haven't updated their title. And the louvers as well. I had a few questions if they do fit. Yes, they do fit. There you have it. They do fit as well, and this is gonna be chrome delete using a vinyl, of course, pre-cut vinyl. So it's coming next as well. I'm trying to chrome delete that as well with the vinyl. That's next. And in the front, real quick, I just want to show you guys the bird poop shout out. Nice. The chrome in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and try to. Look at that, it's just so big. This is different size, guys. This is to help you guys out who's getting a 2021 trying to put on 2020 stuff. Or I mean 2019 and 2018. So see the fog light's different. They don't have a front lip for this yet designed. I did put the same 50% tint on this as well from Crux Motorsports. They do fit as well. And with this, I'm gonna go ahead and do vinyl. So I'm gonna have to take the bumper off and do vinyl with it, because it's dipping is too much. You can do it, but I just hate those chrome in the middle pieces. And if you take the plate off, you'll see the whole chrome going all the way around. And if I just take the bumper off, you know, I could go in the back and take the clips off and take these things out and just go ahead and put the vinyl, black vinyl on it. But that's about it for now, guys, and it's tinted perfectly. Look at this, tints are amazing. That's nice. The wheels are awesome. Stay tuned, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. You know what fits, what not fits. Side skirts, yes, same size. So all those side skirts that you've seen in 2018 and 2020, of course, and during my meat videos, yes, they will fit as well. So that's perfect. Same thing with the rear diffuser. Let me show you. So even the sides, side diffuser will fit as well. The same tips. So if you get the Akasaka tips, they'll fit there too. The whole back is the same. So whatever diffuser you get, like a 20, any diffuser you have light or want to transfer from the old ones, they will fit. All right. That's all I want to say. And make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate your support, and that's about it. I'm gonna end it right here. Yep, there you go. So the thing is not blurred either. You better go straight.